Hello, today we are looking at the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker versus the Keurig K Elite Single Serve Cup Coffee Maker. Both products offer advantages and disadvantages. Today we're going to take a look at those and see what option might be best for you. Both products are very similarly priced at regular price or at their sale price right now, but offer different features based on what type of coffee drinker you are. Alright, let's go make some coffee. All right, specifically, we'll be comparing the Keurig K Elite to the Ninja CM40 specialty coffee maker. All right, one thing your Ninja is going to be able to do is make a full pot of coffee, or a half pot of coffee, or a small or large single cup of coffee, or a small or large travel size cup of coffee. And it has a programmable keep warm plate with high and low temperature options, or a timer option. A full pot of coffee can be very convenient to have, especially if you have multiple people drinking from it, or if you drink a lot of coffee, and you'll be able to just have a full pot on hand to be able to come and get more whenever needed. As we take a look at the top of the Keurig, we do have some different options on here. You can brew 4, 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce cups of coffee. It does have an iced tea option and a hot water option, and it does have the choice to brew a stronger cup of coffee as well. The Keurig does have the side water reservoir that holds 75 ounces of water, which is 50% more than the Ninja, which holds 50 ounces of water, the same size as the carafe that comes with it. So you will have to fill it completely up to make one full pot of coffee. One thing that makes the Keurig such a good choice is the convenience and the speed. You simply pop in the K cup, close the top, and you make your selection. Now let's see how long it takes to brew 1 cup of coffee. For our testing purposes, we are doing the large setting for the 12-ounce cup, and it takes right at 1 minute. All right, now over to the Ninja to brew a single cup of coffee here. All right, we're going to set our dial to an extra large cup for a single cup. It'll be a little bit more than what the Keurig made, but the closest setting we have to it. So without counting getting the coffee grounds ready and stuff, just the time it takes to brew the coffee. Here we go. All right, so this is taking a bit longer. It's going to take about 3 minutes, about 3 times as long as the Keurig. So still not too bad. In comparison and taste, I think it does taste a little bit better. Probably brewing it longer makes it taste a little bit better, but not a drastic difference. You will also be able to brew in a travel mug and a larger travel mug, maybe. Kinda. This cup is 8.5 inches tall, so that'll be absolutely the tallest cup you could possibly try to fit in there. So far, not as convenient. You're going to be filling up your water more often, but I think it makes a little bit better coffee. And of course, it has a lot more options from the different sizes you can choose from. It does have classic and then rich. You can actually make iced coffee as well, just like in the Keurig with the over ice option. And there is an option to make specialty drinks as well. This specialty option will give you a concentrated 4 ounces of coffee to use with whatever specialty drink you are making. They give you some recipes from different stuff you can make. You can make anything from hot or iced lattes, macchiatos, iced coffee, cappuccinos, and other coffee house style drinks in this coffee maker. To do some of these specialty drinks, you're going to use the milk frother that is included on the side of this machine. You just heat up your milk for about 30 to 45 seconds, or use it cold and use the frother on the side for about 30 seconds. Like I said, there's a lot of different drinks you can make with this. This is simply just making a simple cappuccino with the froth milk and the concentrated coffee and a cinnamon garnish. One more quick thing I wanted to mention on this is the filter it comes with. It has the permanent filter you can put in, which I think is a little too thin for us, where the coffee comes out a bit too strong and you get a little bit of thickness at the bottom of your cup. Fortunately, you can use the number 4 paper filter instead, which I feel gives a little bit better result, but there's probably mixed opinions on that, but I just wanted to bring it up. And now for cost. The cost of the machines are about the same, but what about the cost of coffee? If you want to get the cheapest coffee you could find for the Keurig, it's going to run you about 30 to 35 cents per pod. If you get the good stuff, you're going to be looking at 60, 80 cents or more per pod. Me and my wife personally like the Dunkin' Donuts coffee, and that's usually getting close to $1 per cup of coffee for the Keurig. Getting the bags of coffee grounds for the Ninja, we're probably looking at about 20 to 30 cents per cup of coffee for the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. All right, so overall, we have had our Keurig for a long time. We've used Keurig for many years now, and we've always loved our Keurig. It makes a good cup of coffee. It's very convenient, but we really like the new Ninja that we got, and it's nice to be able to just brew a whole pot of coffee and have it there ready to go, especially when we're both here. We both do drink quite a bit of coffee, so we can just brew a whole pot at a time, and then it's there to go get whenever we need it. So that's cool. Also, the different options are really nice on it. You can do different specialty drinks, which we don't typically drink a whole lot, but it'd be cool to mess around with those and experiment with some different types of drinks. So if convenience is a main priority, then Keurig's going to be 100% the way to go. Might be spending a little bit more per cup of coffee, but it's easy, it makes a good cup of coffee, and it's convenient. Also for the Keurig, there's literally hundreds of different types of K-cups you can get out there, and you can make hot chocolate and hot tea, iced tea. There's cappuccino type K-cups out there. There's just tons of different options. I think the Ninja will be a better option if you want to make a little bit better of a specialty drink. With the milk frother on there is a nice option to be able to make some of those specialty drinks a lot better. So it basically comes down to a personal preference of what type of coffee drinker you are and what you look for in a coffee maker. I hope you found this information useful, and I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if you want to help me grow my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. You can click up here for some of my other videos and to subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Do you want some coffee? Coffee not for doggies. No coffee not for doggies.
All right, let's go make some coffee.